So in this case, what we're looking at is, hey, you can see this little notification there that says, we noticed that you haven't created a party yet. Let's review the 3 simple steps. Now, again, this may be something that maybe they've been on board for 15, 20, 30 days and they haven't done this. Why is that? Well, maybe their sponsor or their upline leader, or whoever, is gone, or they don't feel like they have the right confidence to do that. So again, based on that, we want to make sure that we are providing that training. So again, this is just an example of one. Got a notification, and of course the micro learning activities right there. And then when Christina talked earlier about breaking down big learning objectives into small micro activities, again, this is important. Also, at the same time, we want to make sure that that when you do that, you can have a tendency to have quite a bit of training. We want to make sure that we are very specific to which ones are the most important for the right person at the right time. So again, we want them to learn, but we also want to reinforce, but also make sure that the content they get is very specific to where they are at in their process. And then what happens if you can't get data? Well, then try to find some way internally to get that data, whether that's through surveys or anything along those lines. But in this particular case, this is where hey, why did you become a distributor? Or what are your goals? And then based on that kind of user-generated data, their own personal goals, of course, then you can modify around that as well. Not just company or specific performance indicators or company set goals, but also personal goals as well. And then we get down, and hopefully by this time, we're really starting to change behaviors, and we can see, hey, Jane, you're almost there, 1 week left. Then, of course, Jane does hit her numbers, and she's very excited. But also at the same time, we've unlocked new programs for individuals throughout this process.